Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common diesel engine trouble code, P0671. If your check engine light just came on and you're seeing this code, don't panic, we've got you covered. Code P0671 means there's an issue with the glow plug circuit for cylinder 1. This is something you'll typically see in diesel engines, like those in trucks, vans, or heavy-duty vehicles. P0671 is an OBD-II trouble code. It's triggered when the engine control module, or ECM, detects a problem with the electrical circuit that powers the glow plug in cylinder number 1. Glow plugs are used to preheat the combustion chambers in a diesel engine to ensure reliable starting, especially in cold weather. When one of them doesn't work right, starting can be rough, or the engine might misfire. Common causes of P0671. Number 1. Faulty glow plug. The most common cause. Over time, glow plugs can fail due to wear, overheating, or contamination. A failed glow plug won't heat up properly or at all. Use a multimeter to check resistance, typically 0.62 ohms. If it's open, infinite resistance, it's defective. Number 2. Damaged or corroded glow, plug wiring or connectors. Corroded, broken or frayed wires can interrupt the power supply to the glow plug. Poor electrical contact due to dirty or oxidized terminals can also cause this code. Visually inspect wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Use a test light or multimeter to confirm continuity and voltage at the glow plug. Number 3. Blown fuse or faulty glow plug relay. A fuse protects the glow plug circuit from overcurrent. If it blows, the circuit is interrupted. Similarly, a failed relay can prevent power delivery. Check the glow plug fuse in the fuse box. Test the relay using a multimeter or by swapping it with a known good relay of the same type. Number 4. Faulty glow plug control module. This module regulates current to the glow plugs. A malfunction can lead to uneven or no power delivery to one or more glow plugs. Scan for additional codes related to the control module. Check module outputs to each cylinder using a scan tool or multimeter. Number 5. ECM engine control module. Issues rare but possible. If the ECM can't control the glow plug circuit due to internal faults or failed drivers, P0671 may be triggered. Rule out all other possibilities first. Reprogramming or replacing the ECM might be necessary, but only after thorough diagnostics.
Additional tips. Always clear the code and test the system after repairs. Cold starts can worsen the symptoms, so test in cold conditions if needed. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.